Hey everybody, today we are going to be going over how you can fix sublimation oopsies mistakes, if you will. So if you can see here, this tumbler has the name Elaine spelled out in sign language, and it is crooked. If you can see here, it goes down on that side and further up this side. So if you make a sublimation mistake, you've got a couple things you can do. One, you can throw away the mistake. Two, you can sell it cheaper. Or three, you can try to salvage it and put a different design over it. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do option 3 by putting a different design over it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and we're going to go ahead and start fixing this wine tumbler. Alright guys, so this design I'm going to put on one side, and then this design here is actually going to be the one that's going to cover the oops mistake. Now when you're using another design to fix the mistake that you have here, you want to make sure that the design that you're using, so in this case this one, is darker than this. So there's no way to actually get this off. So we're going to try to cover it up by sublimating a different darker image over it like this. So as you can see, it's darker. So this is going to go on this side, and then just to complete the overall look, I'm going to put this on the other side. So we're going to go ahead and tape these over. When you tape the design over it, make sure it completely covers it from top to bottom. When in doubt, go a little bit larger. Always go a little bit darker if you have any questions or concerns on if it's going to cover it, because we got one shot to make this right. So let's go ahead and tape these up. All right, so first off, we are going to take the side that we're most concerned about, this side, and we're going to cover that up with a little bit of our heat resistant tape. Now anything you see me using here is going to be linked below, so feel free to jump down there if you're wondering what I'm using. So here we go. Okay, so this side is all taped up, covering up our oops, and then this side I'm going to add a different design just to kind of balance it all out. So it looks like, you know, I might have actually intended to do this versus salvaging it. So here's this side. And I get my wine sublimation tumblers from Pro World. As I mentioned, that too is linked below. All right, so this side is ready to go. So let's go ahead and jump on over to our heat press and see how it works. And I press this at 350 degrees, and I usually do my wine tumblers for 90 seconds, as you can see here. I'm sorry about the glare. All right, and when I'm doing my wine tumblers, I also use a mug heat press. This heat press is from Heat Press Nation. It does the 11 and 15 ounce standard mug sizes here, but it also can do a wine tumbler, fun fact. So if you're looking to add wine tumblers to your list of things that you can do and sell, definitely keep it in mind that you can use the mug press from Heat Press Nation to make them. All right, at the 90-second mark, we're going to flip it over so that it can complete the press with the other side. Alrighty guys, so here is the design that we have made, and this is the side that we were covering up the mistake on. So if you get really close to it, you'll see that it's not perfect. You can still see somewhat of my design, and that is entirely my fault because, as I was telling you guys earlier, you need darker colors, and I really should have used a black as the background, but I decided to go with the gray, and I should have gone black. So because I didn't go black to cover it up, you can still see somewhat through, but I think it is a lot better. So instead of throwing away a tumbler, now I have a salvageable item that I can use myself, and it's still usable because my name's not Elaine. So that tumbler would have been a waste to me, but this I can personally just use around my house, and it's not a waste, and I don't have to throw it away. So I hope this helps you guys get inspired to not throw away your mistakes, but go ahead and try to do a different, darker design over it. So if you found it helpful, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.